here I have, let's say, more than a few items from the Black Friday sale. I'm gonna go over them, so if you're curious when I pick it up, then you can find out. Okay, so let's start with, here we go, with Origins. On their website they were having, I believe, 30% off. So I pick up their Age Defense Treatment Lotion with white tea. I do like this product. I went through many battles. Besides smelling nice, it's a nice softening toner. If I can compare this is like a vitamin water for your skin. So let's say you're gonna wash your face, apply this, and then the rest of your skincare. Since they were having 30% off, I pick it up more than 2. And also, if you spend certain amount, they give you little bags with samples. So that's the little bags. Inside the bag you have a bunch of samples, and yes, I pick up 4 of those, and that also tells you how much I do enjoy the product. Then from Paula'S Choice, I have their 10% Niacinamide Vitamin B3, B5. What is it? Niacinamide, it's let's call it skin texturizer. What does niacinamide do? It will improve your skin texture. If you have issues with your pores, it's gonna make them appear smaller. But also right now there is niacinamide in a lot of products which you can buy, let's say, even in a drugstore. And if memory serves me right, they were having 20% off. So yes, I pick up more than 2. And then if you spend, I think it was $65, they give you free sample, copy of their book. But if you spend more than, I think it was 125, you could choose free item. And I chose the Superoxidant Concentrate Serum with Retinol. Fights multiple signs of aging, 30 ml. So that's the full size. And yes, again, I pick up more than 2, so I have 4 of those. And yes, they're gonna last me for a while. If you watch my videos, you know that I do enjoy this product. And then the last website, it was Estee Lauder. So I pick up few of their sets. But before I show them to you, I want you to take a look at this. Such a beautiful artwork. And this is another one. Those boxes are so beautiful. I don't mind keeping them for next year and just use them as a background. But anyway, so what I got in the little set, that's their Repair and Renew Skincare Collection. Worth $152. The value is $152, but you pay $107. And what's inside? You're getting a big size of the Advanced Nail Repair, small essence, and their eye cream. Even though it says $107, I pay less than that. And I was really surprised, because years back, the only time when you're getting good value for the money was when Estee Lauder was having a gift time or when there were assets. But now, I would say it's either because of the economic situation or maybe because so many brands come up, they did discount their set. Don't remember how much was it, but I know I didn't pay $107. It was way less. So yes, so I have one set, and then the second one is this one with another beautiful artwork. This one, it's Pleasure Deluxe Collection. It comes with perfume, lotion, and spray. Its value of $148, and I pay $99. So let me show you how it looks inside. Just take this thing off. What you're getting is the big size of the perfume, small travel size, and that was the lotion? Yes, and the lotion. I went through many bottles of this fragrance, and I do like it. It's a flowery and also gardenia fragrance. However, because it's a perfume, it's gonna smell different on anyone. But if you ever get a chance to sniff it, go for it, because it is a beautiful fragrance. I have 2 more items from Estee. Since I bought the other 2 items, I could easily go for the pouches with pouches. What is it? Let's say it's $39.50 with any Estee Lauder pouches. So this thing cost me, let's round it up, $40, and it's valued at $212. And whatever it's on the picture, that's what you get. Usually, or I should say every year, they have something similar. So the bag is different and then you get a few items inside. So the bag looks like this. Okay. Yeah, possible I'm not gonna use it. I bought for the items because you do get a good deal. And in the bags you have few things. So you have the little card and then the rest. So let's see what they give you. You're getting full size of their double wear eyeliner, which is wonderful. I do enjoy it. I went through few of those. And because I found cheaper alternative, I switched for that one. But guess what? Since I have it, for sure I'm gonna use it up. Then you have full size of the Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. There are people who do enjoy it, so yes, I'm gonna use it as well. Then we have a Pure Color Envy Lip Gloss in Flash Fire. So yeah, it's a sparkly color. Ooh, that's pretty. This is their Lip Volumizer, Pure Color Envy. You know what? I'm curious. So it's like a treatment balm. Yeah, I have a small sample of it and I did like it, so now I have a full size. So you know what? Even if you add those 4 items, it's already more than what, $49.50. So yeah, that's a good one. Then you're getting a lipstick in Rebellious Rose. Here we go. And then the last item, it's their little palette, Pure Color Eyeshadow, which comes with, you take the plastic off, so you're getting 6 shades and a blush. So you have neutrals and then pinks and a pinkish blush. So this is like your travel maybe, or even if not, you can easily create different look. That's where it comes in this set. One last item which I purchased was their small palette. This one was, I think, on clearance for like 50% off. I was aiming at it around summertime, but at that time I know it was like 50, let's say over $50, and I refused to pay so much, and I'm gonna show you why. Okay, so that's the package, comes with the shades. Okay, description: silky smooth eyeshadow palette, soft, supple, seductive, 6 wearable nude shadows for a wide range of skin tones, create endless eye looks. Buttery smooth, ultra creamy formula adds dimension, so eyes look bigger, brighter, more beautiful. Okay, and you got how much product? You get a 0.24 ounce, which is 7 grams. If you remember, Huda Beauty, Pop Color, and few other brands, they come up with color stories. What I mean by it, let's say there was a small palette only with purples. There was another one only with greens or pinks or something else. And I think that's what they did as well, because besides this, they have a couple other palettes. But yes, so that's how it comes. It's a plastic package. On the back you have a descriptions of the shade, and then when you open it you have mirror on one side and then the shades on the other. When I saw it on the internet, I like it because the shades are wearable, but because of the price I refused to buy it. But for, I don't know if it was $25 or $27, I decided to give it a try. So in here you have, in this palette, you have 3 mattes, 2 sparkles, and 1 shimmer. And yes, it's really, really shimmery. I'm gonna give a try for this palette and then report it back to you. Okay, so those were all my recent buys, and I see you next time. Bye!